Deep Fission Nuclear that just got $30 million to shove a mini nuclear reactor a mile underground. They're going to lower it down a hole on a cable like a bucket into a well. But instead of water, they're pulling up enough power for thousands of homes. It actually solves almost every single major complaint about nuclear energy in one fell swoop. The three big ones are always cost, safety, and security. Traditional nuclear plants are infamous for taking decades to build and costing tens of billions, mostly because of the insane amount of concrete and engineering needed to build those massive containment structures to, contain a potential meltdown. Then you've got the fear of a catastrophic accident or a terrorist target. By drilling a 30-inch wide hole a mile deep into stable rock, way below the water table, they eliminate the need for almost all of that above-ground stuff. They're saying this could slash construction costs by up to 80%, and you could build a pilot plant in just 6 months. The surface footprint is tiny, basically just a small building and a hole in the ground on a plot of land the size of a couple of suburban backyards. They lower a sealed 15-megawatt reactor down there on a wire. The bottom of the hole is flooded with water, and the reactor heats up to 315 degrees Celsius. They have 2 pipes running down with it. One sends cool water down, and the other sends up superheated, clean, non-radioactive steam to spin a turbine on the surface and generate electricity. The crazy pressure down there, over 160 times atmospheric pressure, happens naturally from the weight of all that water and rock. So no need for fancy, expensive pressure vessels. If anything ever goes wrong with the reactor, you just leave it. Seriously. You fill the top of the hole with rubble and concrete and walk away. At that depth, there's zero risk of contaminating the groundwater, and the rock itself is such a perfect barrier that even over millions of years, any radioactive material wouldn't leaching more than a few feet. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it disposal plan. Built right into the design. The CEO says this is the perfect tech for right now, aiming to power the insane energy demands of AI data centers and other huge consumers. They're targeting a cost of 5 to 7 cents per kilowatt hour, which is super competitive. They've got funding and a goal to have their pilot reactor installed by July 4th, 2026. This isn't just a wild concept anymore. It's a funded project with a deadline. This is one of those ideas that is so crazy it just might work. It completely reframes the problem of nuclear energy by using geology as its ultimate advantage. It tackles cost, safety, and security all at once. So what do you think? Is burying our nuclear reactors a mile deep the brilliant future of clean, safe baseload power, or is it a step too far? Let me know your absolute hottest takedown in the comments.